Good afternoon, everyone. Light rain has started falling over the southern parts of the country with the passage of a weak front in the area, but we're mostly focusing on the developing cut-off low that will be affecting the country over the next couple of days, and the system is expected to bring some intense rainfall to some parts of the country over the next couple of days. But for now, things are relatively settled over South Africa. The weak front has passed over the western and eastern Cape. Behind it, moisture's moved in, lots of cloud over the area, keeping temperatures low for parts of those provinces. On the high veld, it's a partly cloudy afternoon and thunder showers are starting to develop for some areas. Those thunderstorms continue for the rest of the day in the northeastern parts, while the likelihood for rain increases all across the southern parts of South Africa into this evening, in particular for the eastern Cape. There we see some good rain taking place. But this intensifies as we head into tomorrow. The cut-off low starts to deepen, as well as the surface trough. That brings very wet conditions to the eastern Cape, as well as very low temperatures. And to the east of this trough, widespread thunder showers likely to develop within this region. We could also have very strong thunderstorms on Monday afternoon and evening, so we'll really be keeping a very close eye on this situation. Showers and thunderstorms by Monday night over parts of the Free State. There's also a possibility for snow over the Drakensberg. But for today, we only see isolated thunderstorms on the high veld, although scattered into parts of Limpopo and Mpumalanga. There's also a likelihood for thunder showers in KZN, rain over the eastern Cape as well as parts of the western Cape's south coast, and we are going to see some very good rain taking place by tonight along the wild coast of the eastern Cape, where widespread rain is expected. Moderate to fresh winds for parts of the eastern Cape coastline, and we're also going to have wind speeds picking up all across the west coast of South Africa, becoming strong by this evening. Temperatures for the rest of this afternoon, we see it's a warm to hot day all across the high veld as well as for much of KwaZulu-Natal, while over the western and eastern Cape, many areas remaining well below 20 degrees for today, as well as for Sutherland with a maximum of only 14. Monday morning starts off chilly over the Cape provinces, well into the single digits for many places. Not too bad in the Free State as well as for Gauteng, while over Limpopo, much of the region will be in the mid-teens to start off Monday morning. By afternoon, we see widespread showers and thunderstorms over the eastern parts of South Africa. A very cold and wet day for the eastern Cape, while Cape Town will be clearer with a high of 20 degrees. And on Tuesday, that cut-off low spreads further eastwards with wet weather remaining in place over KZN, while towards the west, it's going to be mostly sunny and drier.